Hello YouTubers, I just got back from the post office and I just got a really cool thing in the mail from Paul's Finest. A big knife related purchase for me. I don't need to see my address. I've been wanting to get one of these for a while and I finally jumped on it, and when I bought it I went for the whole shebang. Let's open it. Benchmade 710. If you hear any music in the background, it's my roommate's laptop. Inside we've got a receipt, Paul's Finest, for, damn, with shipping and everything, like $312. 312 bucks. This better be amazing. A lot of newspaper. The Edge Pro Apex. I think the rest is just packing newspaper, but comes in a nice little pouch. Water bottle. The actual stand, smaller than I thought it would be. Yeah, definitely thought it'd be bigger. I'm not gonna try to set up this thing right now. I've got class in like 30 minutes, so there's no point in doing so. A package of, I don't know what this is. Oh, ceramic rod, right? DVD, some instructions, and a lot of stones. Oh, that's clever. There's the entire rod in there with the 220 grit stone already put in. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to watch the video on this. A lot of stones. So, for the sake of simplicity, I'm just going to... Okay, we've got two glass, the two plain bases. I'm guessing that's to hold the polishing tape. 600 grit. $320. 120. For 120, still feels pretty smooth, I'm not gonna lie. 1000. So that's my stones. I don't know where the polishing tape is, because I did get the set with the polishing tape. Oh, there we go. 3000 grit, 2000 grit. So, you know, just give me a second, guys. I'm gonna try and show this to you. Forgive me, this is my laptop webcam. There you go. That is the whole shebang. Thanks you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Peace out. See you around.